नमस्कार. मी संजय ठाकरे, गणित शिक्षक, जनता विद्यालय धाबा, कोंडाया महाराज, तालुका गोंडपिंपरी, जिल्हा चंद्रपूर. Mathematics first means algebra, and chapter number 3 is arithmetic progression. Now let us study here in the chapter sequence and a term of an AP, arithmetic progression, then sum of n terms of an AP. Now here some definitions are given in the textbook. First is the sequence, means a set of numbers where the numbers are arranged in a definite order, like the natural numbers is called the sequence. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, like this. Second example is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. These are two sequence. Now, second point is terms in a sequence. मग या सिक्वेन्समध्ये असलेल्या ज्या टर्म्स आहे त्या टर्म्स आपण बघणार आहोत. ऑर्डर टर्म्स आर रिप्रेझेंटेड ॲज फर्स्ट टर्म मीन्स T1, second means T2, T3 and last is Tn. Then third point is arithmetic progression. Here if the difference between two consecutive terms means here Tn plus 1 minus Tn is constant, then only the sequence is called arithmetic progression. In shortly we say AP. First term here, that is T1, which is equal to A, and common difference which is constant, that is D. D is equal to positive, negative or 0. Now AP means arithmetic progression is like this. First term means A, then second term means first term plus difference, that is A plus D, third term is A plus 2D, like this, and the fourth term is A plus 3D, like this. Now for example, first example is 1, 4, 7, 10, dash. Now in this sequence we have to find out the common difference. Here to find the common difference means T4 minus T3 means here 10 minus 7 means 3, T3 minus T2 means 7 minus 4 means 3. Every time the common difference is a constant, that is which is equal to D, means here D is equal to 3, means this sequence is arithmetic progression, means AP. Now in second example 3, 3, 3 dash. Now here the common difference, that is D is equal to 0. Everywhere it is constant, means the same, and hence this sequence is also called arithmetic progression, means AP. Now in fourth example 4, 16, 64. Common difference here, T3 minus T2 is different, then T2 minus T1 is different, means difference is not constant. Only this D here 16 by 4 means 4, 64 upon 16 is equal to 4 means this is difference, but it is in multiple, not addition, subtraction like this, and this is D is multiple, and hence this is not arithmetic progression, means AP, but D is in multiple, means this is geometric progression, means GP. But in 10th class we are not studying the GP. Then again example, 6th example is given in textbook, 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, like this. Here also this is not AP and not GP. Practice set 3.1. First example, which of the following sequences are AP? If they are AP, find the common difference, means D. First example, some examples are given in textbook, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, like this. I am solving first, I am taking first example. Now answer 1 means first example, in sequence, this sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, here term 1 means T1, T1 is equal to 2, T2 is equal to 4, T3 is equal to 6, T4 is equal to 8, like this. Now we have to find out the common difference, that is T2 minus T1 is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, T3 minus T2 is equal to 4 minus 6 is equal to 2, T4 minus T3 is equal to 8 minus 6 means 2. Every time, here also difference 2, here also difference 2, here also difference 2, means here the common difference D is equal to 2, which is constant every time, and hence this given sequence is an arithmetic progression, means AP. Now take a second example. In this sequence 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 3, comma, dash, dash, dash. Now first term means T1 is equal to 2, T2 is equal to 5 by 2, here T3 is equal to 3, T4 is equal to 7 by 3. Now T2 minus T1 is 5 by 2 minus 2, which is equal to, take here, denominator is not given, I am writing here, 2 ones are 2, here 5 ones are 5, minus 2 twos are 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. Like this, T3 minus T2 is equal to 3 minus 5 by 2, which is equal to 6 minus 5 by 2, which is equal to half. And again T4 minus T3 is equal to 7 by 3 minus 3 by 1, which is equal to minus 2 by 3. Here the difference is half, here also difference is half, but here difference is not half, instead of it minus 2 by 3. Now in this sequence, the difference between two consecutive terms is not constant. पहिल्या दोन जे आहे ते कॉन्स्टंट आपल्याला वाटलं, पण सेकंड आणि थर्ड याच्यामध्ये आपण या ठिकाणी बघितलं तर या ठिकाणी असं लक्षात येते की हे जो कॉमन डिफरन्स आहे इज नॉट कॉन्स्टंट, अँड हेन्स धिस सिक्वेन्स इज नॉट ॲन अरिथमॅटिक प्रोग्रेशन, means AP. Now take second example. Now in second example, write an AP whose first term is A and common difference is D in each of the following. जे काही एक्झाम्पल्स आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये बघू. या ठिकाणी फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, इन फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल A means first term, A is equal to 10 is given, D is equal to 5. Answer, here T1 means first term, that is A is equal to 10, then D, common difference means D is equal to here 5. Now we have to find out terms. Here T2 is equal to, now T1 is equal to 10, we get 10 first term, then T2 is equal to T1 plus D, which is equal to 10 plus 5, which is equal to 10, 20, 25, like this, and hence arithmetic progression means AP is equal to 10, 15, 20, 25, like this. Now in example fifth, A is equal to 6, D is equal to minus 3, means here A is equal to 6 and D is equal to minus 3. This is T1. T1 means A, which is equal to 6. Now T2 is equal to T1 plus D, which is equal to, T1 means 6 plus D means minus 3, which is equal to 6 minus 3, which is equal to 3. Then T3 is equal to T2 plus D, which is equal to, now T2 is 3, then plus minus 3 is equal to 3 minus 3, which is equal to 0. Now T4 is equal to T3 plus D, which is equal to 0 plus minus 3, which is equal to minus 3, and hence AP AP is equal to, first term is 6, then second term is 3, next 0 and then minus 3. Similarly, here in example 6, here first term, that is T1 is equal to A, which is equal to minus 19, and D is given, D is equal to minus 4. Now T2, which is equal to T1 plus D, which is equal to minus 19, then plus minus 4, which is equal to minus 19 minus 4, which is equal to minus 23. Then T3, which is equal to T2 plus D, which is equal to minus 23, then plus minus 4, which is equal to minus 23 minus 4, which is equal to minus 27. Then T4 is equal to T3 plus D, which is equal to minus 27 plus minus 4 is equal to minus 27 minus 4, which is equal to minus 31, and hence AP is equal to, first term is here minus 19, then second term is minus 23, then third is minus 27, and fourth term is minus 31. Third question is here, find the first term and common difference for each of the arithmetic progression, means AP. First example is given 5, 1, minus 3, minus 7, like this answer. Now in this sequence, this is sequence 5, 1, minus 3, minus 7, comma, dash, dash, dash. Now here in this sequence, first term is, that is T1 is equal to this 5. Then here T2 is equal to 1, second term. T3 means minus 3, and here T4 is minus 7. Now for take common difference, T2 minus T1, which is equal to 1 minus 5, which is equal to minus 4. T3 minus T2 is equal to minus 3 minus 1, means minus 4. And T4 minus T3 is equal to minus 7 minus 3, which is equal to minus 7 plus 3, which is equal to minus 4 here. Now at every time the difference is minus 4, hence D is equal to minus 4. Here first term is 6 and common difference is 4, minus 4. Common difference is minus 4. Now in example second, 0.6, 0.9, 1.2, 1.5, dash, dash, dash. Now in this sequence 0.6, 0.9, 1.2, 1.5, dash, dash, dash. Here first term is T1, which is equal to 0.6. Now T2 is here 0.9. Then T3 is 1.2 and T4 is 1.5. Now T2 minus T1, T2 is 0.9, then minus T1, T1 is 0.6, which is equal to 0.3. Now T3 minus T2, T3 means 1, 2, 3 means 1.2, then minus T2, T2 is 0.9, means 0.9, which is equal to also 0.3. Then fourth, T4 minus T3, which is equal to, here T4 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.5, and minus T3, T3 means 1.2, which is equal to 0.3. Now here, hence common difference, that is D is equal to minus 0.3, 0.3, 0.3 means D is equal to 0.3. Now here first term is 0.6 and common difference, that is D is equal to 0.3. In this way you can solve remaining examples. This is very easy to solve. Thank you.